Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel English Stories with me, and today I am going to tell you most amazing English story. A long time ago, an old man lived in a village. His name was Ravi. He was about 55 years old. Ravi was a poor farmer but very hardworking. Besides being hardworking, he was also honest. Ravi had a son whom he loved very much, but his son lived in the city to study. Despite being away, Ravi always missed his son. Ravi lived alone in the village and worked hard. He used to go to the field every morning and work till evening. He worked hard daily for his son because he wanted to make his son better life. Ravi's dream was to make his son's life bright. He was a kind, friendly man, and all the people in the village liked him, because of which all the people of the village took great care of that old Ravi. Sometimes some people of the village tried to convince Ravi to call his son back to the village because he has grown down. But Ravi laughed it off every time because he wanted his son to become a successful person. And for this, he worked hard every day and lived alone in the village. And he did not want his son to face any kind of trouble. Even when he talked to his son, he said, "Son, don't worry, I am still alive." Whenever Ravi's health deteriorated, he did not tell his son because he did not want his son's studies to be affected due to this. One day, Ravi's hard work paid off and his son became an officer. Now Ravi's happiness knew no bounds, and all the villagers started appreciating his hard work. Now Ravi had achieved everything in his life. Now had just one dream, that he should marry his son and bring this beautiful daughter in law. After some time, Ravi got his son married and brought a beautiful wife. But how did Ravi know that this beautiful daughter in law would one day become the cause of his death? After marriage, old Ravi left the village and started living in the city with his son and daughter in law. But his daughter in law did not like Ravi's company. She harasses Ravi every day and tries to put him down. Ravi considered all these things as a serious matter, but kept it hidden from his son. One day suddenly Ravi heard his son and daughter-in-law talking. They were saying that they didn't like keeping his hair. Now Ravi came to know that even his son does not like him. Maybe because he is old or he does not have any money anymore. Now Ravi decided to go to the village to save your honor. And when He started going to the village. That same night he met with an accident due to a speeding vehicle. And thus old Ravi died there itself. I don't want to hurt anyone with this story, but I have seen this happen with my own eyes. And when we become educated fools, and for our false pride we lose our loved ones like Ravi. If you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, my all dear friends. Thank you so much for watching this video.